Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full wash day and styling my hair into this style right here. So you'll see what my thoughts are about the whole experience. So I did receive a package from Dollar Curl Club for review and just to see my thoughts on it, style my hair and everything. So that's why I'm going to do a full wash day routine and style my hair into this twist out. They gave me their hydrating gentle cleanse shampoo, so it does have coconut and aloe in there. A hydrating detangler conditioner, and this has olive and mango. The leave-in conditioner, this has avocado and grapeseed oil in there. 2 oils. So this one is the revitalizing growth oil, and they also gave me the nourishing herbal hair oil. And lastly is the curl defining cream. So as you can see, my hair, it looks a little bit different than normal, and you will hear my thoughts on each and every single product in the video. Also, I wanted to say that this brand, their philosophy is more of a natural approach, so they do have a lot of natural ingredients. I did look it up on the EWG site and it was pretty good. Most of the ingredients, they did have ones, and as you know, I am looking for hair products that are very good for my hair. And not only for my hair, I do apply that to my dietary needs as well. And in my last video, I went shopping at Whole Foods and Wegmans, and I got a lot of groceries, the normal groceries, and I also got some products for my natural hair. And I also use products that aren't 100% natural because that's not the whole point here. The whole point is to do a lot better than what I was doing before. So I'll say these ingredients are definitely a lot better than the products that I did get rid of. And if you didn't watch that video, I have it linked above. So if you'd like to hear my thoughts on what I think about the Dollar Curl Club products, then keep watching. Starting in the shower, here's how my hair looks after a week of not washing it, and I did a flat twist out. Before I apply the shampoo, I make sure that my hair is soaking wet from roots to ends. I find that the shampoo lathers a lot better this way and my hair does not get stripped at all. And as always, I'm going to section my hair into quadrants. This just really helps me make sure that I focus the shampoo on my roots and that I don't really get too much on my ends. It's okay if the shampoo gets on my ends, but I really want to focus on the roots. For my shampoo, I'm going to be using the Maintains Hydrating Gentle Cleanse Shampoo, and it has aloe and coconut in there, and it's also sulfate-free, color safe, and it cleanses your hair and restores the natural moisture. Using the shampoo, I thought that my hair felt pretty good, and also my roots. My hair didn't feel stripped. It wasn't super moisturizing, but my hair felt like hair even after I rinsed it out. I really liked how it suds up on my roots because I really like a shampoo, a cleanser that does suds up. That's how I really feel that my hair is clean. If it feels like a conditioner, like a co-wash, I just don't feel like my scalp is clean, and I don't like that. And after I've applied the shampoo to all 4 sections, I just make one big section and just rub my scalp. I really want to make sure that my scalp is clean, and then I'm going to rinse the shampoo out all together and just really make sure that you spend a lot of time rinsing the shampoo out, because if you don't, it will cause flaking and buildup, and it's unnecessary. I did like the shampoo because it cleans my hair, but it did not strip my hair. And my hair, it felt like how healthy hair should feel. And for conditioner, I used the Maintains Hydrating Detangling Conditioner with olive and mango. So it's supposed to gently detangle, hydrate, and moisturize hair for frizz-free and manageable curls. So I felt that the conditioner did not give me a lot of slip how I want. I really love for all of my conditioners to give me that slip. So I didn't feel like it applied very smoothly. So I did have to apply some of the oil. And this line, it doesn't have a deep conditioner, which I did not like at all. I used the Nourishing Herbal hair oil, and applying this oil did make a difference. My hair didn't feel like there was that friction in there at all. So I did have to apply a lot of this conditioner and a lot of the oil just to get that desired feel that I want. And as always, I comb the conditioner in from ends to roots, and this just really helps for the conditioner to penetrate my hair strands rather than sit on top of them, and it makes a huge difference ever since I started doing this. And I twist the section up, and this really helps to keep the moisture locked into my hair versus escaping while I work on the other sections of hair. So I love doing this step. And here's how this section looks after I have applied the conditioner and twisted it up. So it doesn't look too bad, but my hair definitely needed a deep conditioner after this. And after applying the conditioner to all 4 sections, I am going to apply a shower cap just to intensify this treatment to act as a deep conditioning treatment, because like I said, I really need a deep conditioner after this because my hair, it felt like it wasn't as moisturized as it could be. So I did this for about 10 minutes and took my shower. So I'm just going to unravel the twist and I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. And here's how my hair looks after I've rinsed the conditioner out. So it feels okay, but not as nourished as I like for it to feel. As you can see here, my hair looks just a little bit dry. So to prepare for the twist out, I am going to section my hair into 3 sections. I'm going to have 1 back section and then 2 front sections, and just to make sure that your parts are clean because you don't want any snagging in between parts. And just to help the moisture stay in my hair until next wash day, I am going to do the LOC method. So I'm going to use the Maintain's leave-in conditioner. So these products, they don't really have a strong scent, which I do like. A lot of times if I can smell the shampoo or any product after a wash day, it kind of gets tiring to me. And for my O, I'm going to be using the Revitalizing Growth Oil, and this is really going to help to seal the moisture in my hair. And here's how my hair looks after applying both the leave-in conditioner and the oil. So my ends definitely need a little bit of TLC, so I was hoping that the cream would help with that. And to help define my curls and my twist out, I'm going to use the Maintain's Curl Defining Cream. So I applied about a quarter size to each section, and I'm just going to flat twist my hair. And I do have a full tutorial on how I flat twist my hair. And after applying the cream, I just work it in with my fingers, and I also comb the cream in with a wide tooth comb before I start on the flat twist. And although the cream was helping with the twist, I just felt like I needed a little bit more security, so I did decide to apply some perm rods. So I just unraveled the twist about halfway, applied a little bit more product, then tangled my hair again, and I applied the perm rods to the ends of my hair. And I did continue this pattern on the rest of my hair, which you'll see. So 2 days later, this is how my hair looks. I didn't take my hair out the next day just because I didn't go anywhere and I didn't want to take it out for nothing. And 2 of the perm rods popped on me because I use them a lot. So this tends to happen. The band just gets stretched out and that's okay. But my hair did not unravel, which I'm happy about. And I'm going to take all the perm rods out of my hair. And here's how my hair looks after I've taken the perm rods out. So as you can see, I did do a lot of flat twists. And I'm going to start to unravel the twist from the back. I just feel like I get less frizz if I do it that way, and I can stay nice and organized and make sure that I have unraveled all the twists instead of just bouncing around or starting from the front. I did notice my ends were getting frizzy, and I mean the colored parts. My natural version hair, it looks good, but just the colored ends, it looks frizzy, and I don't like that, especially on day 1. If it's day 4, day 5, and I get that relaxed, comfy frizz, then that's okay, but just not on day 1. And as you can see, I'm not really feeling the way my ends look. My virgin hair took really well to the product, but just not the ends. And I think I would use this in the future if I don't have the colored ends, which will eventually happen. But as far as right now, it didn't seem to work on my colored ends. But the show must go on. And as you can see, there was no flaking, there's no buildup of the product, which was excellent. I was really happy to know that my hair, it looked really clean. And to get more volume, because you know I love my volume, I'm just going to take this comb and pick at my roots. I'm not going to comb all the way through because you already know how my hair is looking, but I just wanted some more volume. Typically I do use my pick, but I think my third son, he ran off with it somewhere because he was just in here playing in my hair products. And after I fluffed my hair out, here's how it looks. I did get a lot of volume with these products and I'm really happy about that. And I hope you enjoyed my tutorial of my wash day and style. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!